Okay, wait. I'm scared. What is this?
I don't know. Oh wait, it's like it feels like a fake pumpkin.
Yeah.
A pumpkin?
Yep.
These are like the vampire teeth.
Shit.
I am scared. If it's something disgusting, I'm gonna start crying. Oh my god. Is this like some teeth or something?
Yep, vampire teeth.
Vampire teeth.
Oh my god.
Spider.
Is it a fake spider?
Yeah.
Wait, what is this? I'm so confused. It feels like a rat or something. I don't know. Is that what it is?
A rat.
Animal. It's like a cat or a dog. Something. I don't know.
A dead rat or some kind of rat.
What is this? No, I don't know.
Look inside the box.
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Ew, what the heck? Wait, is it on a plate?
Yes.
Is it gonna like, what is it? Some sort of gummy. Is it gummy worms?
Yep, gummy worm.
They're like gummies. They're like, yeah, they're like gummies. Like gummy worms or something.
Yes.
Oh, no worms.
Like some kind of Play-Doh or goo? Play-Doh or gum? Putty? What is this? Clay? Play-Doh?
Poop?
Oh my god!
I'm so scared. Oh no, it's on a plate. I'm so confused. Wait, is it like licorice or something? This is like Twizzlers.
Licorice.
Oh my god. The Twizzlers?
Yep, okay.
Alright. Oh gosh. Why are you acting like that? I don't trust you. I'm so scared. Ew, it's wet. I'm so scared. Wait, I'm so scared.
Oh no.
Ew, it's what? Ew, what is it? No. I don't even want to touch it.
You wanna touch it?
Ew. Okay, I can't. It's so bad.
Something dead.
No.
What is this?
It's like, it's like a fruit, isn't it? Ew. Like pineapple or something. No, what is this? It's like slimy. Ew. Is it just slime or something?
Yeah.
Slime.
It's even more wet. Ew, it's like gooey. It's like slime.
Jelly? Jello?
Nope.
Meat?
Nope.
Fish? Slime?
Yep.
I'm scared. I don't know. I'm scared. What is that? It's wet. What the heck? Ew. It just feels like slime again. Ew! Eggs! That's nasty.
Slime again.
Ew! Are these eggs?
Liquid? Jam? Jelly? Jello? Pudding? Juice.
No.
Blood.
Blood.
Oh my god!